At Deer Creek State Park, we accidentally discovered a tree with a family of 6 great horned owls. They were sleeping and didn't bother with our presence. Then we let Andy out for a walk.
Andy, come here. Andy, come here. Come to mommy, Andy.
As we looked up again, they were all staring at Andy like he's lunch.
It looked like they want to hunt.
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh my God. Andy, honey, Andy.
Food.
Andy. You can't hunt Andy, guys. He's big. But best of all, I'm protected him.
They
Andy,
don't
Andy.
care.
Andy, Andy, come here, Andy, Andy, Andy. Andy, honey. Come here with mommy. Come here. Andy, careful, honey. Oh my God.
We didn't think they can harm Andy, but just in case, we packed up and moved to another area.